everybody? What's up, David? Jetty. Surfside Jetty. Sunday, July 5th. Wind's blowing out of the south about 10 to 15. That's the way. Look at that sunrise right there. The water's clean, calm on the beach side. Got the channel there. Let's see what happens. So we're fishing live shrimp underneath the popper. I like to hook my shrimp right underneath the little mohawk there, in that clear area. So if you guys have never fished with a popping cork before, popping cork, you throw it out there, you want to give it a couple of whips. There you go. Oh, missed it. You want that popping cork to do exactly that, is pop, and it makes a clicking noise that allegedly attracts some fish. So popping cork. All right, I missed a hit after I gave it a couple of pops. Shrimps tore up. No sense in reusing them. We got plenty of live shrimp. So guys, when you're using live bait, little tip, if you're wearing sunscreen or something, anything on your hand, lotion, you just ate breakfast, do not stick your hand in that bait bucket. It will kill your shrimp. So always use a dip net. I usually do, but I left mine in the truck, so I don't have any sunblock on my hands, so we're good. But always good practice using a dip net. So guys, if you've never fished here at the jetty before, down here at the rocks, there's probably another set of rocks that you can't see. You're getting pretty close to it. You just want to go ahead and reel in your cork and chunk it back out again. Even if, oh look at that, no shrimp. Even if you're on the cork, you're off the bottom. If you're fishing a pretty long leader, which I would recommend long leaders here at the jetty, you can still get hung up. Little guy. Oh shit, that's a good one. Ooh, that was tense. Oh yeah, that's a good trout. Oh, it's a big mangrove. Holy hell. That's the biggest mangrove I've ever caught. Nice one. Damn. On shrimp. Yep. I love me some mangroves, dude. That's a nice mangrove right there. Oh my God, I'm over here looking at you, dude. Son of a... There you go. That's a good size trout. Oh shit, nope. Get up here. Woo-hoo-hoo, that's a big one. Ooh, that's a good speck right there, boy. throw him back. Let him go. Let him go. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's a good one. Oh, it's getting some drag. I gotta set it on this. Alright, let's tighten it up a little. Numero dos. Oh, broke my hook. Time for a new hook. That's two. Yup.
Need one more, man.
Gotta retie, man. I broke one of my hooks off. Oh. Oh shit, that's a snook. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's a big snook, bro.
Hell yeah.
Holy shit.
You want the grips? Got a snook.
Wow, that's a big snook.
Dude, that's a good looking fish.
Oh, I saw that
Dude. Wow. That's cool looking, man. 18.
Fuck. Oh, come on, buddy. Ow. I'm letting you go. Don't worry.
That's a nice snook, man.
Damn, that's a good snook. Shit. Yeah. Need to get him back in the water pretty quick.
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Headed back home. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. If it sucked, let me know also. This is the first of many videos to come. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, peace.